Guangdong Duang Technology Company Limited. Promoter, practitioner, and solution provider of green and lightweight application in China. Guangdong Duang Technology Company Limited was founded in 2011. The headquarters and production plant are located in Dongguan, the manufacturing capital of China. The main business scope: EPP, EPO, EPS, ETPU, and other green lightweight material products. Committed to promoting the product concept of reusable, recyclable, and degradable, Duang Technology provides services for Huawei, DJI, TCL, and other well-known brands. Partners in more than 40 countries and regions around the world, established a good reputation in multiple industries at home and abroad. The company has a modern factory building covering an area of 15,000 square meters, with a strong production capacity of 3,000 tons per year. The qualified rate of finished products is higher than 99%, and the on-time delivery rate reached to 99.99%. Providing a closed-loop service system, integrating R&D, design, production, management, quality assurance, and delivery for customers. Duang Technology has been focusing on the application of green lightweight materials for more than 20 years. Past IATF 16949 Quality Management System certification, has dozens of independent research and development patents. Committed to becoming China's green light application promoter, practitioner, solution provider, the company will keep promoting the development of green lightweight applications actively in the future, create more value for the society, customers, and employees.